Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the 2019 Hess toy truck. I'm going to take one out of the case, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to show you its features. So let's get started. Alright, that is a case of 2019 Hess toy trucks. So let's take one out and let's see what we got for our money this year. Okay. I'm going to move the camera and the toy truck up to my desk now, because you can see it there a little better. So okay guys, here is our Hess toy truck. Check it out. It's a full-size tow truck piggybacking a smaller tow truck. In the conventional box, let's open it up and let's see what we got. Okay, there she is, the new 2019 Hess toy truck with his little brother on top here. Alright, so let's look at the big one first. Nice and smooth roll to it. Let me point out a few of the cool features of this truck. You'll notice that they put a lot of chrome on this truck, as they have in the last few years. On the earlier Hess toy trucks, they were not very big into chrome. But as you can see, alright, you've got your chrome hubcaps. You also have your chrome side view mirrors. Here you have your chrome steps, chrome toolbox, chrome stacks, chrome railings, chrome scoops on each side, and of course chrome bumper and grille. The back also features a chrome bumper. The roof even has a chrome sun shield right here and chrome around the light bar. I don't know if you can see this, but it actually says Hess. See? On the top of the chrome rail right there. So yeah, once again, chrome is the word of the day. The smaller truck has chrome too, but it's not as pronounced as on the larger truck. You still have your chrome hubcaps, and you have your chrome side view mirrors, your stacks, railing on top, sun visor, bed railings, and of course your step. Front bumper, rear bumper. Naturally all the headlights are going to be working, but I think I'm going to demonstrate them with the lights off. You can see it better that way. Okay, it's time to test out the lighting and see what the lighting looks like in the dark. So I'm going to turn the lights out and we will see. We'll do the big truck first. Oh yeah, check that out. Well, you didn't get to see it all, so we'll see how the side flashes as well. the back flashes. Okay, now let's do button number 2. Air horn. Let's do that one again. Okay, now we'll do button number 3. That's the backup. Only the backlights flash on this one. See the backup lights? And now we'll do button number 4. This is flashes only, no sounds. Pretty neat. So now, let's check out the small truck. The small truck only has lights on. No flashes, no sounds. But still nice. On the back here, you can see clearly, I think, Hess 2019 lit up. So yeah. I am very happy with this year's Hess toy truck. I sure hope you are too. To operate the lights, the first thing you're going to have to do is pull this tab out right here. Underneath there's a switch. There's an on-off switch right here. There's on, off, and flasher. So this is on. So that's the way the lights look front. You can see the marker lights on the side, tail lights on the rear. All right, now let's switch to the flasher mode. Look at those headlights, alternating headlight flashes. Look at the roof lights. Okay, look at the tail lights on the back. They flash. See how they alternate? And on the side, you got your marker lights. They alternate too. Now, if you want, you can also control the lights with these buttons on the roof. Let me shut this off here. Wait a minute. There are 4 buttons. See those 4 white buttons right there? Right now I have the switch in the off position. But by pressing any one of the buttons, I can still control the lights. You hear that? That's the sound of the truck running. Okay? There's the air horn. Okay? Third button is the backup signal. Beep, beep, beep. Pretty neat. And then the 4th button is just the lights themselves. So it's much easier, in my opinion, to control any of the functions from the roof rather than from the switch underneath. But of course, you guys will get the hang of it once you get your truck. Now let's look at the smaller truck. Here's your smaller truck. Basically, it's the same principle. You're going to want to first pull the plastic tab out. Got the lights on now, see that? With the smaller tow truck, you can only control the lights from underneath by switching them manually to the on position. See? Got your marker lights, rear tail lights, and that's that. There are no buttons on the roof here for you to control the lights with like on the bigger truck. Okay, let's shut that off. So yeah guys, this is the 2019 Hess toy truck. Full-size wrecker, piggybacking a smaller wrecker. I think this truck is going to be a win. What do you guys think? If any one of you guys are going to make a video like this, feel free to link it in the comment section below. Or if you just want to talk about the truck itself, that's good too. Peace.